The volatility index did not budge much. It was down maybe 3%. It's still very elevated. I mean, of course, inflation, war, Fed now, maybe you heard from Fed Chair Powell yesterday, maybe 75 bips again in July, maybe 100 basis points. Of course, it's going to stay elevated here. It doesn't give you a big edge. I like the soft, again, like think about softball. You like the big fat pitch, right? Big ball coming in slow and kind of like inside a little bit and turn on it. You don't get really fat pitches with the volatility index in the 30s, quite frankly. So be very careful and knowing your parameters, and that is maybe keeping your stops tighter, maybe shorting into rallies. Obviously, it's a different environment than it was in 2021. But let the VIX tell you a little bit about what's happening on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so I just mentioned the VIX is hovering around 29 this morning. With a great move on Tuesday, you really like to see volatility index, VIX, decline a bit, showing that there's a little bit more comfort level. But it's not. So it's kind of telling us that it's elevated. And you're not going to get that fat pitch in the 30s. In fact, you got to be really careful not to get chopped at that. Your goal in this environment, very much a risk-off environment. Yes, we get one-day wonders. Yes, we get oversold bounces. But we are making lower lows, right? Come on, we're not making higher highs. And we have a different function here. So let's take a look at that.